Hi, in this video let me show you how to do a force restart of your iPhone 17e. In case your phone is completely frozen, no matter what you do, you cannot restart it. What you need to do is to press, volume up, volume down, and then press this power button for around 15 seconds until you see the Apple logo appearing on your display. Then you'll be able to release that button. So let's do it together over here. So volume up, volume down, and I'm keeping pressed this power button and I'm not releasing it. This combination needs to be done quickly. And now I just have to wait like this. The screen will go completely black. The phone is turned off at this moment. I'm not releasing it until I see the Apple logo. Then I can release the power button and I will just have to wait another, I would say 10 to 15 seconds until the phone boots up normally. And afterwards, hopefully your screen will not be frozen and you'll be able to use it as you usually do. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment, comment down below, tell me if it worked, tell me if I can improve the way I explain things. Leave a thumbs up, subscribe, like, and also check my Amazon links in the description down below if you want to get a case, a screen protector, or other accessories compatible with your 17e. See you in the next one.